Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So what are we going to do today? We are going to solve problems on circular permutations. Here is the first question. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 men and 5 women around a circle. So for circular permutations, we have a formula, that is formula is n minus 1 factorial. So here n is 10 as there are 5 men and 5 women. So by substituting in the formula n minus 1 factorial, that is 10 minus 1 factorial, that is equals to 9 factorial. So that we can, in 9 factorial ways, we can arrange 5 men and 5 women around a circle. A round table conference is attended by 3 Japanese, 4 Russians, 3 Chinese and 2 Americans. Find the number of ways. A. All Russians sit together. B. No 2 Chinese sit together. C. Persons of same nationality sit together. So first question A. All Russians sit together. So consider Russians as one unit. Then the remaining nationality people plus this Russian as one unit, it will become total 9 entities. So circular permutation is n minus 1 factorial, that is 9 minus 1 factorial, that is equals to 8 factorial. So permutation among the Russians is 4 factorial. Here we have 4 Russians, so permutation among themselves is 4 factorial. So total number of ways so that all Russians sit together is 8 factorial into 4 factorial. Second B, no 2 Chinese sit together. So to arrange like this, we have to arrange the remaining nationality people. So arrange the remaining 9 persons. So the circular permutation is n minus 1 factorial, that is 8 factorial. So remaining are arranged. So we have to arrange these Chinese in the gaps between the remaining nationality peoples. So we can arrange these 3 Chinese in those 9 gaps in 9p3 ways. So total number of ways so that no 2 Chinese sit together is 8 factorial into 9p3. Third question C. Persons of same nationality sit together. Then consider each nationality persons as one unit. So total 4 nationalities, so 4 entities. Permutation is 4 minus 1 factorial, that is 3 factorial. So permutation among themselves, so among Russians 4 factorial, among Japanese 3 factorial, among Chinese 3 factorial, among 2 Americans, that is 2 factorial. So total number of ways so that nationality per same nationality people sit together is 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is the answer. Here, find the number of different chains that can be prepared using 6 different colored beads. So here is a different case, like the garlands of flowers and chains of beads. Here in such case, the formula will be changing. That is, here the formula is n minus 1 factorial by 2, as here it will be looking same from clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. So the formula will be n minus 1 factorial by 2. So here n is 6. By substituting in the formula, we'll get the answer 5 factorial by 2, that is 60 ways. Here, find the number of different ways of preparing the garland using 4 red, 3 white and 2 yellow roses. A. White roses come together. B. No 2 yellow roses come together. So first question A. All white roses come together. So all white roses, consider those as one unit, and along with remaining roses, total it will become 7 entities. So the permutation is n minus 1 factorial by 2, as it is garland. So by substituting in the formula, we'll get 6 factorial by 2. So the permutation among those 3 white roses among themselves is 3 factorial. So the total number of ways so that white roses come together is 6 factorial by 2 into 3 factorial. Second question B. No 2 yellow roses come together. Then firstly arrange the remaining flowers. Remaining flowers are 7 flowers. So the permutation is 7 factorial, 7 minus 1 factorial by 2, that is 6 factorial by 2. there will be 7 gaps between those flowers. Then arrange those 2 yellow flowers in those 7 bags. We can arrange those 2 yellow flowers in 7 gaps in 7p2 ways. Then the total number of ways, so that no two yellow roses come together, is 6 factorial by 2 into 7p2. Here, find the number of ways of arranging 6 guests and a host around a circle if two particular guests wish to sit on the either side of the host. Here, consider the host and two particular guests as one unit. Along with remaining guests, it will become total 5 entities. So, circular permutation for these 5 entities is n minus 1 factorial, that is 5 minus 1 factorial, that is equals to 4 factorial. So, we can arrange those two particular guests around the host in two ways, sitting on the either side of the host. So, total number of arrangements so that two particular guests sit on the either side of host is 2 into 4 factorial.